Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use BlockFinder. This powerful tool is designed to help you quickly and accurately locate specific blocks within any system, saving you valuable time and effort. Whether you are working with intricate designs or large datasets, BlockFinder simplifies the process. We will cover everything from initial setup to advanced search techniques, ensuring you can maximize its potential. Get ready to boost your productivity and navigate your projects with unprecedented ease. To begin, ensure you have the BlockFinder application installed on your device. You can typically find it on the official download page. Once installed, open the application and navigate to the Settings menu. Here, you will want to configure your initial search parameters, such as default directories or file types. It's also crucial to link any relevant data sources or project folders, which usually takes just a few clicks. This foundational setup ensures BlockFinder can access all necessary information for effective searching. Now, let's perform a search. Simply type the name or unique identifier of the block you are looking for into the main search bar. For more precise results, explore the Advanced Filters section. You can filter by attributes like size, type, or creation date, narrowing down hundreds of potential matches to just a few. Once the results appear, click on any entry to view its detailed properties, including its exact location within your system. This makes finding what you need incredibly straightforward. To truly master BlockFinder, consider utilizing its advanced features. You can save your most common search queries, allowing you to rerun complex searches with a single click, saving you minutes each time. Don't forget to customize the interface. Adjusting the layout to fit your personal workflow can significantly enhance your efficiency. Finally, always keep your BlockFinder application updated. New versions often include performance enhancements and exciting new features that will further improve your block finding experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.